Hey guys, welcome back to Tales and Trails. I hope you all are doing amazing in life. Well, today we are in the xpulse showroom in Kompally and we have got that xpulse out there for service. So today's video is going to be about the xpulse maintenance cost and service cost probably. So this is the third service that we have got this bike for, and you all know xpulse is a very good off-roader as well as commuter. So I've been thinking to buy this bike from a long time, and luckily one of my friends owns it, so I just wanted to experience the service of the xpulse, how is the customer response, service and all of that. So today's video is all about that. I'm gonna quickly show you all what's my xpulse. So let's just go and see my bike. The bike. So this is the xpulse that I got today for the service. Probably in the first two services or three services, I mean probably every service, the oil is going to be changed. It doesn't have an oil filter, so you don't have to change the oil filter. I even have changed my air filter. This is pretty nice, but still I got my air filter changed. So, and the bike has been washed neatly. So that's up with the bike. So the service is done and we are just going on a trial run if the bike is all fine or not. Sure, let's see. Sounds good. So the bike has been 2,995 kilometers and we have just completed our third service. So let's just ride and see how does it feel like. Oh, this slips. This is it, guys, the xpulse 200. Kompally is usually very busy with traffic and all of that, so we just have to deal with it. So the good part about xpulse is you don't have to stay on the road all the time. Shadow. The engine feels pretty much okay, but I don't know why my front end is wobbling a little. Just a little, not too much, but just a little my front end is wobbling. So we're gonna figure out what is up with that particular problem and sort it out now. So my front end's a little wobbling after 60 kilometers per hour, so we have to sort that issue off. It's pretty nice. The engine feels really good. The brakes will not have that much punch because the bike has just been washed. So that's up. Now let us see what is the service bill that we have got for the xpulse 200.
Manual gear, sir. 2 minutes. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి పెండింగ్ మేము ఆఫీస్లో నుంచి ఇక్కడ నిలబడ్డాం అయింది.
So as you guys can see, this is the build that I got for xpulse 200. This is the holder component element, that is the air filter, and it costs 210 rupees. You don't have to change it, but मैंने change कर दिया. उसके बाद washer plug drain 2 rupees 50 paise, O-ring 5 rupees, 40 engine oil 10W30 is 389 rupees, और consumable charges is 750 rupees. जो total है पूरा मिला के 656 rupees आया है. और what is this? This is the clutch adjustment that I've done. उसके लिए हुआ 94 rupees, and the total bill that I've got is 751 rupees in the end. Well, that is a pretty cheap price if you ask me for a motorcycle like xpulse 200. Hero has done a great job on this particular thing. Amazing, amazing. So we are waiting for the bike to come. Once it comes, we ride home.